Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by importing the image and any style references into Gemini. Choose the highest useful resolution and sRGB for web or 300 dpi for print. Once done, set an edit intent, retouch, color grade, or composite, so Gemini prioritizes tasks. You should enable layers and non-destructive history. This lets you revert. Then run a quick auto-analyze to gather suggested masks, faces, and light corrections. This gives you precise starting points and saves time when you move to targeted edits. You now perform targeted corrections with Gemini's selective masks and generative fills. Create masks for face, sky, and foreground, then feather edges a few pixels to blend. Next, nudge curves and exposure in small increments to retain highlights. Adjust HSL to isolate problematic tones. Use generative patching to remove or replace objects and confirm texture consistency by toggling before/after. Make layer groups for color grading, retouching, and final effects so you can fine-tune opacity and preserve earlier edits without losing the original image. To finish, validate output by inspecting sharpness, color cast, and clipping using Gemini's histogram and 1:1 preview. Then export a layered PSD for future edits and a flattened JPEG or TIFF at target resolution. Make sure metadata and color profile are embedded. If you see artifacts or haloing near edits, refine masks, decrease generator intensity, and run denoise locally. Alternatively, reproject the patch at slightly different scale. Finally, test the file on intended devices and make one small adjustment if necessary before delivery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.